base of the connecting rod. Note, it is very important to observe the gap between the inner hole of the safety ring and the bus on the motor to avoid abnormal noise caused by touch. The angle between the wire rope and the connecting rod is 45 degrees to 60 degrees, for the appearance is good. It is fixed by 2 inside the connecting rod, and the installation angle of the wire rope is consistent. 15. Open the terminal bus. Pass the motor LED wire and the controller output power cable through the connecting rod outlet hole. Penetrate the terminal box and press the mark on the LED wire U1, V1, W1 ground wire and the terminal block mark 1-to-1 lock. Tightly lock the terminal box cover. 16. Slide the blade tail into the end of the blade and tighten the screw. 17. Insert 6 blades into the motor bracket. Insert the double-hole gasket on the pad. Lock the screw from the bottom of the blade to the top. Then, put the flat pad, spring washer, and nut on the platen. If the blade is not inserted into the root, loosen the 2 screws on the pressure plate and then confirm the level of the motor. 18. The controller is installed at an appropriate height. The pitch is referenced to the actual object or the manual. 19. Disconnect the controller panel and pull the motor cable to the controller output as standard U, V, W ground wire. The power cable is connected to the controller input as standard and grounded. Must be grounded. 20. Carefully check that the ground is in place and that the wiring is secured. The line and input voltage is correct. Check the space around the fan for unobstructed objects. 21. Connect the power supply. The controller panel display is bright the main operation keys on the control box panel. Green power button. Red stop device. Accelerator button. Deceleration button. Press the run button to display the panel speed increases to the rated speed. Run for 10 minutes, no abnormal sound, no shaking, installation completed. 22. Disconnect the power supply when servicing the motor and controller. You must wait for the motor to stop running and the controller indicator to go out for 1 minute before performing maintenance. 24. When not using it for a long time in the winter, to extend the life of the product, please run it every 10 minutes every other month. Thank you for watching.